Hi, this is Hams. Today I will show you how to use the Technical Service Manager application. So the first time you open the application, you need to create your user. So in this case, I'm just going to create verified user. And our role, the first time the role is always going to be administrator, okay? And just click OK, and then you only need to click on login. And if you have more than one user, you will see a list here, and just click your password. Okay, just press OK, and this is going to be the the main screen. Okay, let me minimize this, and I have this one is the same, but this one has more information. So the menu, you will see tasks, equipments, clients, warranties, inventory, tools, models, brands, types, and users. Okay, you need to log out, just click here. Okay, on the task part, you can create new task here. It's going to contain a task number, status, the serial number for the equipment, brand, model, if a cell phone, a tablet, a PC, or whatever you want, your client information, who is working on it, when it start working, and if it's complete, it's going to have an end date, what was the issue, how the issue was fixed, some budget, and what the total of the task. Alright, just click new task and you can fill all the fields here. Just click status, you're working, pending, or complete. In this case I'm going to put working. On serial, you need to have equipments already in your database, so you only need to, for example, I'm going to work on this equipment here, so just click on it and all the fields are going to be populated. Who is going to work on it? In this case, it's going to be Miss. I don't need an end date because I'm working on it. Some issue description. Issue fix not yet because I haven't fixed the issue. To add some budget, just click on the budget text and you will see a pop-up like this, where if you have inventory you will see all your items here, but for example there are some items that you cannot quantify. For example, investigation, I'm going to put investigate issue is going to cost 1000 and just click add on it, and the item is going to be added to the budget. For example, in this case, if you have some screen or keyboard, something like this, I want to use one of these. You see how the quantity is added, and now you can close here. This add button is just add for manual input. Alright, just click close. Now you see your budget, investigate issue 1000, item 100, sorry, and just click OK, and now the new task is here. And for example, to edit this item, let's say I already fixed the issue, just click edit on it, and you can change the status to complete, and the end date is going to be populated. You can change manually too. For example, say now I finished this day. Alright, click OK. How the issue was fixed, and just click OK. And now your task is complete. You can filter if you click on the on some of these text, you can change the filter. Okay, go to main menu, and to add some equipments, it's the same. Just click new equipment. You need to have some clients already in your database. You select the client. In this case, it's going to be this. You add some serial number, some brand, and if it's any type of item, if you have cell phones, tablets, stuff like that. And if you want to add some description to this equipment, just click on it, and you now have a new equipment here. Alright, and it's the same for clients. Just click new client, populate all the fields of your client. Just click OK. Have your client here. If you want to see your client equipments, client repairs, client warranties, or just delete the client. In this case, I'm going to delete it. For example, I want to see these client equipments. If the client have some equipment, you will see on the equipments, right? Or if you have some, you want to see how many this client have been bring her stuff here. You go to client repairs, and now you can see the tasks and stuff like that. Warranties, these work only for tasks that are already complete. So for example, you click new warranty. When you click on them, you can select the which task you want to add the warranty. In this case, let's say this one here. And if the warranty is active, let's say yes. You can change the date when it starts. In this case, is the actual date. But let's say this one was complete yesterday. And for how long the warranty is going to be working, let's say 1 year. And if you want to add some warranty description here, just click OK. Now you have your warranties here. Okay. Inventory. Here you can add your inventory stuff. Item 5, let's say I have 700, and this one got 800, and a brief description of the item. And like the other menus, you can edit, delete, and tools. On tools, you can export to a CSV file. Let's say, for example, I want to export all my data for my user, task, client, inventory, equipment, warranty, brands, models, types. Alright, just click OK. Or if you want only to have the users and clients, or you only want to see the tasks and clients, just check the box that you want. In this case, I'm going to put all my data. You will see a file created on my data, and then you can send this CSV file to an email. In this case, I'm going to put my email. With a subject, and if you want to some messages here, and on select file, you just click on it and select the file you want to send. In this case is all my data. Just click OK, and you need to have an email editor. In this case, I have this one here, and just click, you can still modify the message here, add more emails, and just click send, and you will see sending message. I will show you in a bit how it looks. You can, if you click here, you can have your database backup and where is stored on your SD card. And let's say you make some changes, but now you want to go back to your last backup. Just click database load. Okay. And I think I received my email. As you can see here is all my data message, and you will receive the attachment. Just download it, and you will see something like this. Well, in this case I'm on a Mac, but make sure when you open it use UTF-8. The language is not important, and the important thing here is you separate by semicolon. Make sure this one is selected because you can see how the data change. Just click OK, and now you will see a file like this where your all data when the file is created, the users table, the tasks table, clients, inventory, equipment, warranties, brands, models, and types. And then you can play with this, all this information, and use it as you want. Okay. And going back here, let me see. Now we have models. On models is most of these menus are the same. Just click new model, what brand you want to. Let's say I'm going to add a new brand, LG. Just click the brand that you want, and I think what model was chocolate. Just click OK, and now you will have a brand LG with that model chocolate. Okay. And brands, you can add a brands here. It's the same that you can see here is LG. And types here, well, in this case I'm going to a tablet. You can edit the item, say tablets. Okay. And final is users. You want to have more than one user here, but for the moment all the users have an administrator role. Even if you add new roles, all the users going to have the administrator role. So as you can see, it's very easy to use. There's a lot of improvements here, so you can see here I can add more roles. For example, I can change to technician, but it's if the user log in, you will see everything here. I need to work on to change privilege and stuff like that. Okay, so for example, if I log out, I can change to the new user 2. My password is, I think it's A, and now I log in as a user 2. So if you need any translations or any improvements, please let me know. Hope you like it and hope it works for you, and thank you.